Hello friends, today we are here to discuss today's Vpropel question of the day, stepped strings. In this question we have been given two equal length strings S1 and S2 and we have to check that these strings are stepped or not. The criteria that tells two strings are stepped or not is the difference in the position of same index letters in the string S2 and S1 in the English alphabet dictionary should be equal to the position of that particular letter in its original string. Which means that if we have two strings S1 and S2 whose first position is occupied by A and B, then the difference in the position of B and A in the English alphabet should be equal to the position of A in the string S1 and the position of B in the string S2. So first of all, here we have created the dictionary English alphabet whose keys are the letters of the English alphabet and the values are the positions. So in order to check that two strings are stepped or not, we have to pass through four checkpoints. The first checkpoint is check whether the length of the two strings are same or not. And if the strings are of different lengths, then print length different. So here, first of all, we have taken two inputs from the user S1 and S2, and then we have checked that the length of the string S1 is equal to S2 or not. If the length is equal, then carry on, and if the length is different, print length different. Our second checkpoint is to check whether all the elements in the string are alphabets or not, and if not, then print string contains non-alphabet. To check this constraint, we have created a function named symbol and a parameter named as count whose value is set to 0. After that, we have created a for loop which goes through all the elements in the string, and whenever it finds an element which is not an alphabet, it increases the value of count by 1, which simply means that if the value of count is 0, then the string contains all the alphabets, and if the value of count is greater than 0, then print string contains non-alphabets. Our third checkpoint is to check whether the position of occurrence of space in two strings is same or not, and if not, then print string different in space. So here, first of all, we have found the position of space in the string S1, and then we have found the position of space in the string S2. And if the position of space in the string S1 and S2 is same, then carry on, and if not, then print string differ in space. Now, the fourth and the last checkpoint is to check that all the alphabets in the string S1 and S2 certifies the criteria to be called as stepped string or not. So here, first of all, we have removed space from the string S1 and S2. Then we have taken a variable named as count whose value is set to 0. After that, we have created a for loop which runs a number of times the length of S1, and inside that we have created another for loop which runs a number of times the length of S2. And the basic reason of creating two for loops is to find those elements which have the same index values. After when we have found the elements with same index values, then we will find the difference between these position values in the English alphabet dictionary, and if the difference that we found is equal to the position of that particular alphabet in the string S1 or S2, then increase the value of count with 1. And if all the alphabets in the string S1 and S2 follows the same criteria and proves true, then the value of count will soon be equal to the length of the strings S1 and S2. And if the value of count is equal to the length of string S1 and S2, then print string are stepped, and if not, then print strings are not stepped. Here we have one test case. Let's check out that one. First of all, we will give the value of S1. Next, now we will give the value of S2. And let's check these two strings are stepped or not. So here it came out that the strings are stepped. Thank you. Have a nice day.